Hi AP students, this is your weekly update. So we see here, we're still in Unit 6. You should be through with these first 5 lessons. So we're going to start today on visual rhetoric of movie posters, and this leads up to your major assignment. So you can see the purpose here is to analyze rhetorical strategies to movies and how said strategies to understand a movie poster is effectively or ineffectively conveying its message, and to write meaningfully a paragraph or post a 1-minute audio clip analyzing a movie poster of your choice. You need to download my notes here. You need to watch this little video here that I made for you, and then follow these instructions. You'll pick a movie poster from the last 30 years, any movie poster from the last 30 years. You can go on IMDb and find some. Write a 300-word paragraph explaining the rhetorical argument made by the movie poster you have chosen and if it is effective or ineffective. Or so you got another option here. Do a 1 to 2 minute audio commentary about the same thing. Either one, and then make sure you include the citation. If you do the audio commentary, include it in the text box when you post. This is your very, very special rubric. You get 2 points clarity, 3 points for analysis, and 1 point for make sure your MLA is right. All right. The next thing you do this week, it says movie poster, but it's actually meme analysis. You have a lot of videos to watch on this one. Then you pick a meme and you do the same thing. And it has the same rubric as last time. We're just talking about memes. Now you're going to make your own meme. You can use this meme tool here to pick a meme you want to make. Make a meme about the AP class. And then you interpret, and you just post the meme without commentary onto the discussion, and you comment on another person's meme as soon as you can. All right. This here is visual analysis of a movie poster. So now you're doing this as a paper, and you have your standard AP thesis with organization, elaboration here, sophistication, and thesis. And then you need to do 3 peer reviews this time. So try to be on time for this. I mentioned that in the other video. And your final draft is due November 17th, hopefully after you get feedback. All right, and then once you've done all that, and you have until the 24th to do this, you need to go into AP Classroom. I want you to complete Units 2, Units 3, Units 4. All right, and there should be 6 different quizzes that you do. So you go into AP Classroom, you use your sign up for this. I'll show you what you're doing here. Now, you're going to have a different login from me, okay? You can't see my password there. Scroll down and go to AP Classroom. Yours will look a little different. It'll look a little more like this. Gotta verify everything. All right, so you need to do Unit 2. Now, I'm not going to make you, but I suggest you at least kind of look over these units because they'll give you exactly what you want to do. And there's a lot of videos here, and they range in length. And so this one will talk about rhetorical situation and the reading, rhetorical situation, writing, claims to evidence in the reading, claims to evidence in the writing, and your personal check. You need to do both the MCQ and the multiple choice questions and the free response question. Then Unit 3, same thing. And Unit 4, same thing. Now, I'm not going to make you do the videos, but you should think about it. I also want to talk to you a little bit about why we're doing this. Now, I'm no longer going to be grading you exactly, how, I'm not going to give you the exact points that you get here. But we're going to look at some of these FAQs from the beginning. So let's look at your free response question. We got through that. Okay, fine. And now we hit the results. So this is your Unit 1 free response question. Now, 17 of you never even did it, and that's kind of a problem. So you'll notice that most of you did well on the thesis, although 3 of you messed up, but more of you needed to provide more commentary. Okay, so you have that little bit. You need to elaborate on your commentary and make sure it's clear. Now let's look at your multiple choice questions. All right, identify and describe the components of a rhetorical situation, the exigence, audience, purpose, and message. Most of you did okay on this. Identify and explain the claims and the evidence of the argument. Most of you did very poorly on this. This is a problem. So you need to start identifying what the claims are. So we're going to have to start focusing on this in supplement lessons soon. Develop paragraphs comprised of claim and evidence to support your claim. So you guys can do it in writing, but you don't seem to be able to do it in reading, which means soon you're going to have to do a lot more dialectical journals. Yay. And so what I'm telling you is I'm basing what you're doing often on how you do in the AP classroom. Now you'll notice that I'm giving you until the 24th to do this. If you, I'm going to look here and make sure I'm right because the calendar's up here on the wall. The 24th is the last day before Thanksgiving break. So you need to keep that in mind. So you have this week and next week to get all that done. And then once you get back from Thanksgiving break, we're going to start a new unit on the synthesis essay and on controversies in education, I believe. All right, so that's your update this week. I will be releasing another video later in the week for you to chew your teeth on how you get that point. Also, we're going to be covering rhetorical devices in more detail in the synthesis essay chapter, so just so you know that. All right, guys. Mr. Varn, done. I'm over and out.